Mac and I think Money Mac and I think Money Mac and this guy is trolling in front of in the PD lobby.
Hey, call Chief
So
down here, bro. Hey, I
Copy
need a
that. Just
supervisor.
arrest them if they do not. If
Think
this
no
police
more.
tell them to please leave,
Think
if they
no
don't,
bad.
arrest them.
Think on being no queer.
I need a supervisor.
I think they are trolling
Think
right
no
now.
wow. Look, tico no mag. Tico no mag chinga.
Guys, are you here for a visit or what? Come on.
Yep. No, I don't like separation and segregation. That's illegal.
Money,
Is it because I'm white and he's black?
well, Money Mac asked a for a
That
visit,
sounds
but
racially motivated.
I agree in the chat.
Hey, Mr. Keats.
Look, real shit. The whole problem we're having, guys, and not to be rude, is we can't understand Batman.
That part.
Yes, you can, but you just don't
No,
want
look,
to.
I'm really not trying to be in
No, you
bits and
just don't
pieces, but
want
like when he's actually talking, I can't really understand him. I need either a translator or somebody that I can actually speak to.
No, you just don't. You just don't want to understand me.
Bro, it's not that. You speak worse English than my 6-year-old nephew.
No, I don't.
Yes? No.
No, be respectful.
How am I being
Yeah, we're
disrespectful?
trying to be respectful, but you're not. Like, I'm telling you what's going on, and you keep telling me that I'm wrong. And like, nigga, I asked for a visit. I gave you my passport, and you didn't let me
I,
have my visit. So make it
like
make
you
sense.
didn't,
I ain't got
like
to
you
agree to
didn't put,
nothing. What I agreed to was
listen,
giving you my passport to show you that I don't have a fucking violation.
you didn't put. I agree in the chat. So yeah,
I'll be right
that's
back.
your problem. I put the macro up for you, but you didn't put. I agree.
I feel like I'm being told, bro. I know I'm not the only one that hears that shit. We grown ass men here. What's up with all the, you know what I'm saying? Why are we speaking like kids?
All right, I'm back.
Nah, bro, it's just the way he's speaking like a kid. They say we being disrespectful, but this is an officer. It sounds like a fucking 5-year-old.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm telling him, look, bro, I'm saying, like, I don't understand what I have to say. Like, you keep saying, can we help you?
If you
I'm
got
telling you
people,
what we need help with, and you're not
hold
listening.
on,
Like,
man.
you just
Let
want
me
to keep
reference
saying, can we
something
help
else.
you?
It's like when with Zal and Hawk and all these guys, they speak a whole other language. We can't understand them. We get arrested because we can't understand. It's not our fault. It
Right,
literally
I'm
says
sitting here asking questions. He's
in
talking
the
about, do you
U.S.
want to get
server.
arrested?
It says in the rules when you sign up to become an officer that you have to
Oh,
speak English. You're on a U.S. server. If you can't speak English correctly, go to where you're from, dude. This ain't no
no,
Trump built the
yeah,
wall shit.
again.
There's multiple servers for multiple countries.
Where'd the guy go?
Not my fault. I speak English and you don't. You're in my server.
Hey, can we
I
go
did
somewhere
not
else to talk, bro?
say
Like, without these other cops?
I'm just saying it's not my fault that we speak English and you guys can't, reiteraze your or just
Hey,
speak
I
your.
said without these other cops, bro, we don't need your help. Y'all no longer needed. No, it's not very disrespectful. There's a supervisor here. Your job is finished.
no, you didn't put. I agree in the chat. So yeah. Yeah, I put the macro up for him, but he didn't put I agree in the chat, so yeah. Yeah, I put the visitor macro up for him, but he didn't put I agree in the chat.
So that's insulting a police officer.
I don't know. But yeah. But yeah, I put the visitor Mako up for Money Mag, and he didn't put I agree in the chat, so yeah. Do they have to put I agree in the chat? Yeah, 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 I put the money, I put the visitor Mako up for, for Money Map, but he didn't put I agree in the chat. The, I put the visitor Mako up for Money Back, but he didn't put I agree in the chat. So yeah. He didn't put I agree in the chat. Yeah, and now they're trying to get me in trouble. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah,
PD057 at dispatch. Show me on a 1011 up ahead. Suspect took off on me.
I put the. Did you see the Mako I put up for Money Mac for the visitation? Yeah, did you see the part the visitor Mako I put up for Money Mac?